Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create this fire effect for text in a video on CapCut. So first, I'm using a black background like this. Then start by adding the text. You can just write anything you want and then change the font to your favorite. I personally will use this elegant font. Click on the check icon and then export. Okay, after it's done exporting, you just need to go back to the editing page and then delete the text and add the video that you just saved before. Okay, so this video, and delete also the background. Okay, so after this, you just need to add a fire video that you can easily found in the stock video and add it as overlay. Okay, find it under the atmosphere category. You can just choose the one you like. I'm going to use this one. Click on the video and click on add. You can adjust the size and click on the overlay, go to blend, choose the darken option. Okay, let's see the result first. So the result will go like this. I'm going to trim the beginning so that the fire will become like this. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.